Hey guys, it's Beltrami from Wasdale Properties, and it is freaking Friday. This week's Showcase Home of the Week is so cute. It's located at 8918 Trulon Drive. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,726 square feet. It was built in 1968. Cutest little mid-century modern, located in the Sharpstown area of Houston. I'm going to have an open house here this Saturday from 1 to 3. Guys, you got to come check out my listing. Let's check it out together and walk this house. So you walk up to this home with these great features here in the front with the brick, and then you walk into the classic entrance of a mid-century modern. The dining room has plenty of space, really nice details with the chair railing, and it's off of the kitchen. So then you come into the living room, you have these high ceilings, this wonderful brick fireplace, and the brick mantle that goes across. I can just see some fabulous Christmas decorations there. You have this passageway in from the kitchen into the living room, and then you just really have this nice open bright space here with the entrance. It's just a wonderful space, tons of light, nice and bright. And in the kitchen you have the original wood cabinet, you have the original 4-burner cooktop. How cute is that? Totally original. And then you go into the back there, and that's the laundry room into the garage. And then you have your classic built-in oven, and then the entrance into the dining room. Then you walk down the hallway, you have your first bedroom here on the left. Nice sized bedroom, light and bright, plenty of space. And then straight in front of you, you have your second bedroom, again, light and bright, plenty of space. And both of these bedrooms come with a walk-in closet, so that's a really nice feature like this. Then you continue down the hallway, you have your first bathroom here. It has double sinks, it has a shower tub combo here. So just a really nice bathroom, classic features of a mid-century modern home. And then you continue into your master. It also has the high ceilings. It's just a really great space, tons of light with this huge window here in the master bedroom. And then you have the open concept bathroom with a single sink. And then off from the sink, you have the single stall shower here in the bathroom, in the master bathroom. The master has a fantastic walk-in closet with plenty of space. So guys, what did you think about this house? Isn't it so cute? I love the backyard. It has a lot of the original details. Come check it out this Saturday during my open house of 1 to 3. And if you would like to see this home or any additional homes, please don't hesitate to contact me. My information is at the end of this video. And also don't forget about the interactive map that's going to show you open houses that are going on around this listing in Sharpstown, and also of course in the Heights and that surrounding area. I look forward to seeing you next Friday at the next Showcase Home of the Week.